Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding Tutorial, and in this video, I'll show you how to use Pic Collage Maker Photo Editor that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest videos. So as you can see, I have my Google Play Store up and running, and in here, search in Pic Collage Maker Photo Editor. And here it is, the first one. And before we install this up, let's take a look at the pictures in here. So these are the things that you can do with this app. So you can add collage to your photos, you can add stickers, freestyle, up to 20 photos, text, and beauty patterns. So there are predefined templates that you can use right away, festival frame like this one, and so on. Alright, let's go ahead and install it. And while waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know that FotoCollage Photo Editor is a powerful and easy to use photo collage maker and photo editing app. Just select some images you love, you can easily put them in a perfect layout. Add numerous styles of background, text, sticker, and frame to make your pics art. Create unique and awesome collages on your own. So the key features available for this app, you can combine photos with amazing layouts into beautiful collages, remix up to 20 photos to create wonderful layouts and collages, change the photo layout, turn your photos into rounded corners, photo editing tools, change the sharpness, shadow, and adjustment, make many kinds of background to your photos such as blur background, 37 unique photo edits or photo effects for making unique photo collage, stickers, tags, emojis, text, tens of photo borders and frames, rotate, mirror, flip images, drag or swap them, pinch to zoom in or out. Emojis and tags make your photo more stylish. Turn your pics into art with perfect filters, effects, and photo editing tools. There are 100 plus popular design templates in a fascinating Pic Collage tool. By these templates, you can mix up to 20 images, flexibly create collage photos, and make a shape collage, such as heart and diamond. You can show your style with your attractive collages. You will also enjoy features of font sizes, color gradient, outline, shadow, space, background edition in a free manner. Enjoy 500 plus funny stickers which can lending a festive touch to your photos, and they are updated in line with the latest fashion. You can choose variety kinds of cute pattern as background, such as love, dot, so-so, texture, and so on. You can adjust their opacity, space, size, and angle. Photo filter can revolutionize your photo with one tap. And graffiti brush, enjoy photo collage with cool customizable brushes. Doodle on pictures, buy good many of brush types and get surprise effects, including in rich colors and adjustment strokes such as patterns, solid lines, dotted lines, fluorescent brushes, decorative brushes, and so on. Alright, it's done. Let's go ahead and open it. Alright, here it is. So this is the interface, and as you can see, you have the option to create or use the predefined templates in here. So you can edit by tapping this one here, and then you need the permission, so allow there, and you need to choose a photo to edit. And templates is where you can choose the predefined templates. So these are all the templates that you can use, and right now it's currently loading, so let's wait for a few minutes for it to load. So there, so you can choose any category in here at the top, so simple, food, sports, and so on. And then image or IMG. Alright, so you can choose the images that you want to edit. Alright, so in this example, let's try to use the collage and select a photo. Let's use Jackie Chan's photo and swap pictures. Long press to swap pictures. Right, next, and let's try to swap this one with this one. Alright, there you go. So just long press, hold and long press, and then drag and drop, and then swap it there. And then in here at the bottom you see the layout, so you can change the layout according to your needs, like this, and so on. I prefer this one. Ratio is where you can change the image resolution. So if you want to use the Facebook, Pinterest, so you can choose any of these. So I'm not going to do anything, just going to use the defaults, and if you're good with it, then just hit the check mark. Border is where you can add borders, so you can increase or decrease it. It's up to you. You can also add rounded borders like this there. And this one's good, so I'm just going to check tap the check mark. Next is the ratio. Again, the ratio, you can use any of the ratios available in here, depending on which social platform would you like to upload it. Then you can use the image ratio. And border, we already tried this, so it's going to make round borders, okay, by sliding this line here. So this one is good for me. And frames, there you can add more frames you want to, okay, just like that, and hit the check mark. Okay, you can also check other frames that are available in here. So there's plenty of frames that you can choose from. I prefer this one, so I hit the check mark. And then background is where you can add some background color. So solid, if you want to. If you notice, the background has changed there. I prefer whites. And gradient, you can also use the gradient below. So just scroll to the left to find out more colors available for you. Okay, and once you're good with it, you can just hit the check mark here. You can use other background in here. So there's really a lot of backgrounds. So next is the text. Text is where you can add text to your photos. So let's just say Jackie Chan there, and let's place it somewhere. Okay, let's just put it in the center, and then let's use this font. Okay, this one looks good, and you can scroll down to look for the fonts that you want to use, like this one. This one's also good. And let's change the color by tapping this one here, the circle. So let's change the color. Okay, just like that. Okay, this one's good. Let's check other colors in here. All right, I prefer this one, that one. And again, you can have the option to change the background there, shadows, change the text color, and so on. So I prefer this one, so I tap the check marks. And next is stickers. You can add more stickers like these. Okay, there's emojis. Okay, there's a lot of stickers that you can choose from. You can even use a photo sticker if you want to. I'm not going to do that. And next is filter, is where you can add filters to your photo there. It's now the color has changed. All right. Okay, this one is black and white. And okay, let's use the black and white, or just this one. And then brush. Okay, you can add brush. Okay, let's try to use this one. Then there. So there, just add it to there. You can even make the hearts bigger or smaller. It's up to you. If you want to go back, just if you want to undo this, just hit the undo button here at the top there, and then try other there. Undo. Let's try this one. Okay, undo. So it's really up to you if you want to fully customize your photo by adding additional filters like these. So I'm not going to do that because I prefer the defaults. So X, and then that's for the brush. Okay, so you can, for the brush, you have the option to add brush to your photos. And let's say that we're good with this, and I'm going to save it now. I'm just going to hit the download button, download the icon here at the top right portion, and there you have it. So now it is saved to my phone. I can go back, I can share it to Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and so on. So press the home page and you'll be back to this the homepage dashboard, and in here is where you can go to the settings, the three lines at the top left portion of your screen. So you have the option to change the size there, automatic. So regular is up to 1024 pixels, high resolution is 2048 pixels. Language is automatic, but you can change it to, let's say, Korean, Japanese, Chinese. It's up to you. Rate is where you can rate this app. Feedback, if you want to send feedback to developers, and so on. And if you want to use this one here, you need to download it first. So let's say this one, you need to download it first before you can use it. So they're done, and you can now if you notice, we have now dropped one because we already done editing. So we can go back to this one if you want to there. So we can edit this again, and let's say, where was the, it's not in the brush, the one we have downloaded. Let's just look for it. I think it's somewhere in the frames or background. Okay, it's not in the background, and the text, it's not in the text as well. Stickers, okay, it's not in the stickers. Okay, there it is. So it's the one we have downloaded earlier can be found in here in the stickers. So we can now add it. We can add more if you want to, just like that. And once you're good with it, then just hit the check mark here, and there you have it. You can save it again and save. So go back to the dashboard, and it's done. So there, so we have now edit our photos with new designs. So you can add more if you want to. If you want to use any of the stickers in here, then you need to download it first. Okay, and just look for this in the sticker area. So like for this, like for example this one, download it first, and then you can find these stickers. Okay, done. So these are added stickers that you can choose when you edit a photo. Alright, so that's it for this video, and I hope that you have enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.